area of square. All the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. AB equal to BC, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, and all four angles are equal to 90 degree. Cone angle A is equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. Now area of square equal to side square. Here side is, all the sides are A square. This is example. If side is given 3 centimeter, then area of square equal to side square. Side is given here 3 centimeter, that is 3 square. 3 3s are 9 centimeter square is area of